today I'm gonna show you how to make this bracelet, and it's actually very easy. All you need is some petals and loom bands. First, what you do, you'll take a loom band and you'll put it through one of the petals, and then you put it on your finger, and you repeat that step a lot more times with different colors. Like that. Then you also need a C-clip or an S-clip. And first, what you do is put one on your finger, and then you put another one on your fingers, and then you put the bottom one over, and on the other side the same thing, and make sure that they're like this, that the purple one is jammed between the two green bands. And repeat that until you have a bracelet. I'm gonna show you a few more times, and then the video's finished. And then I'll show you how it looks when it's finished. And then you pull it off, and then you stretch the other end and put also the C-clip on the other end of the green. And then you have the bracelet.